All right, so today we are going to draw the bottom part of the Easter egg, and the top part is going to be a chicken, and then we're going to decorate our Easter egg like an Easter egg. Okay, anyway. So today we're drawing a chicken and an egg for Easter. And the first thing we're going to do is figure out how much of this is going to be egg and how much is going to be chicken. So I think I want the egg to be about this big. So we're going to start here and we're going to go around and make a loop. And then we're going to do the zigzag line so it looks like the chicken has cracked open the egg. And then the next thing we're going to do is the chicken is going to be here and it's a loop. So we're going to take our pen and do a big loop at the top. And there's the top part of the chicken. The chicken's going to have eyes. So we're going to put the eyes right here. There's going to be one eye there, which is an oval, and another oval here. And then just like I always do, I put eyebrows on them. And then circles for the eyes, and I'm going to make this chicken silly and make it cross-eyed. There you go. Something else you can do is you can give it eyelashes if you want, or whatever you want to. So now you're going to put the beak in, and let's see, how do I want that beak to look? I think it's going to come down and around a little bit like that, and then we're gonna go straight across and then bring it down like this, and there is the beak. This is an upside down V. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some hair or some feathers. I guess it wouldn't be hair, but some feathers at the top. I thought that was kind of funny looking. And then now you can decide on this. Do you want your chick's wings to go up? You could do them where they go up, or you can have them where they go down. And it doesn't really matter which way you do it. I think I'm going to make them go up, so I'm going to do a line that goes up. It's a curve up, and then a curve down, and then maybe another one on the other side, a curve up and a curve down. And for feathers, a lot of times, you have more than one. So I'm just going to add one in the back like that. Just so it, it looks like there's more than one feather. Oop. Oops. Anyway, so I'm on marker paper, and the next thing we're going to do is I am not going to use the big side of the marker. This is the Sharpie marker. I'm going to use the small side of the Sharpie marker, and I'm going to go in and we're going to decorate our egg. We're going to decorate this egg. Now, when you're decorating the egg, there's all kinds of different ways to decorate it. The more patterns and the more things that you put in your egg decoration, the more you get to color your decoration, right? So I'm just going to put in some lines, and then in the lines I'm going to put in some zigzag lines. Like that. And maybe I'm going to put in some circles on the bottom half. So if you've taken any of my other classes, I have ideas that you can download. There is a link below this video if you want to download ideas for the patterns. Let's see, what else do I want to do? How about I do another line? And we could do stripes. And let's see, maybe I'll do polka dots. Now I do these half polka dots so it looks like, you know, this is a flat piece of paper, but it looks like this circle goes all the way over the edge by doing a half circle. So it looks like the pattern goes all the way around the egg. I don't know if you've ever done that before. So we got polka dots, we got stripes, we have zigzags. I need something up here. Guess I could do flowers. And you can do the same thing with your pattern or with these flowers. You could do a half circle. I don't know if you see that. You could do a half circle. And then you could go in and add the petals. And it's only a half of a flower. So it looks like the pattern goes around the edges. Like that. Okay, so we have flowers and all these patterns inside of our egg and our goofy looking chicken. Okay, so now let's color him. Make it look like it's on the ground and maybe it's in some grass. We could put some grass, the eggs in some grass, which is basically just some swishy. Now you have to remember, I've been drawing a long time. I've practiced all those swishes. So, you know, if you have a scrap piece of paper and you want to practice on the scrap piece of paper first, because remember, practice is going to make you look really good when you do the final artwork. So practice, practice, practice. All right. So now, let's see. Let's see what color this is. I'm trying out, I have a scrap piece of paper. Oh, you can see I have a scrap piece of paper. I'm kind of trying out the different colors, just trying to figure out what color do I want my chicken to be. And on marker paper, one side will be different than the other. They'll look completely different. I think I'm going to use this marker to do my chicken. I'm just going to do the chicken first. Now, the markers that I'm using are alcohol markers. And the Sharpie markers are great for drawing, but if you use an alcohol marker, you may pick up some black. I don't know if you see the little streak that I picked up. So you have to be really careful to not pick up a lot of black. Now, if you're using, which most of you probably are, you're using the Crayola brand markers, that's not going to happen. Because the Crayola brand markers are not alcohol based, which means that they will not pick up the black Sharpie marker. Just to give you a little idea of what's going on there. So I'm going to try not to pick up any black when I go around everything. Goodness, this is a mess. I think I'm using the wrong side of the paper. Whoops. Oh my goodness, I'm using the wrong side of the paper. Look at this. Alright, we'll see what, maybe I'll use the other markers and see if it does the same thing. Oh my goodness, look at that. What a mess I just made. Okay, I'm going to switch my markers and try something else. Oh yeah, so see, this isn't picking up the black. And I wanted a darker, see, I want it even darker than that. Where's my other yellows? I wanted to do a darker beak, more of an orange. And his eyelids were going to be orange. And then I want to do some shadows under his eyes and under his beak. Like that. And I thought it'd be fun for his feathers to be a different color. And they can probably just stick out. Oh, like that. Go in here and finish filling that in. Okay.
Don't miss another video. Subscribe today. At this time, I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit because all I'm going to be doing is coloring. And sometimes coloring can be kind of boring anyway. So I'm just going to speed up the video just a little bit, and I'll add some music, and I hope you enjoy the music. and I'll see you in the next video.